What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Got ourselves another heating service call. 'Tis the season. It is Wednesday, October 16th, 2024. A little after 9:30 here in the morning. I have a short day today. We're approaching the Jewish holiday of Sukkot, also known as the Festival of Tents. If you guys don't know what that means, I suggest you Google it. Use ChatGPT to give you a summary of what Sukkot is. Sukkot. Okay. We have a discharge coming from this relief valve. We have a, is it the right size relief valve? Yep, 30 PSI. Okay. We have a very, oh wow, they got creative here. Oh, yes, they did. Oh, my God, it just gets better every single time. I swear. You know what? They used some thermostat wire. Let me see, they used 3 conductor or 5 conductor? Maybe they just used 2 conductor. Oh, my God, let's take a guess. How many conductor thermostat wire did they use to secure this bend, this elbow, to hold up the expansion tank onto another piece of copper that's not really... Oh, wow, look what they did there. Maybe they ran out of fitting, so they used a 90, another 90, another 90, and then another 90. Instead of just going like right there, they needed to make a support for the expansion tank. Guys, how many conductor is this wire? Take a guess. Take a guess in the description box and the comment section down below, guys. Come on. The closest without going over is going to win a hug from me, Mikey Pipes. It feels like there's 3 conductor. Let's see. Okay. I am going to take my handy dandy Leatherman, right, that I got from a particular manufacturer. I'm going to cut this right there. Imagine like I defused the bomb. Let's see. All right, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys guessed... Oh my God, I swear I love what I do. If you guys guessed 3 conductor, you won. Email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. All right, we have... Oh my God, I'm cracking myself up. I'm not even high or drunk. Oh my God. Let me give you an overview. We have this Burnham Series X2. This is the 140,000 BTU model. This is manufactured in July of 2019. Here's the serial number if you want to know what it is. Let's do a quick look. Oof, damn. She's one filthy mama. She's filthier than your sister after she got a train ride. Oh, look at that, a little lower the cutoff right there, built in. Huh. Transformer, lower the cutoff. Intelligent hydronic control for atmospheric control with boiler control with atmospheric venting. It has the vent damper harness plug there. Gas valve, rollout switch. What that's about, I have no idea. Interesting. Expansion tank. Now it looks level, right? That's part of the problem here. Manual reset, high temperature aquastat. Zone valves, 1, 2, 3. No resistance, no resistance, resistance. This is calling actively. This is actively calling. And that is off. And that feels hot, that feels hot. Ow, damn, that's hot. We have an automatic air valve right here on the top of this Taco 007E circulator. Turn the power off. 30 PSI relief valve, tridecator gauge, transformer for the zone valve motors, automatic vent damper, spill switch, manual reset, all right, black vent switch also known as, backflow prevention device, pressure reducing valve, boiler drain, and the proper way to secure an expansion tank. All right, we need a new expansion tank, new relief valve. That's still calling for some reason. Let's close this. Let's close this. We gotta figure out why this is still, oh no, that's off. Why this one's still calling. Or maybe it's stuck. What do you think? You think it's stuck? See that little thingy jiggy right there? Let's see if it's stuck. Let's see if I get a good picture on it for you. Yeah, look at that. It was stuck in the calling position. Let's see. Oh, she bad. Look at that. She no good. See how it's... now I loosened her up. She's been stuck for a long time. That's a bad zone valve. Crazy. Let's try something here. Let's see if she energizes. That one is, see that one? Ow. This one, no. Yeah, she's jammed up. But this one's actively calling because that just closed. Let me turn the switch off, you'll see what I mean. Watch this. Watch that little lever. Dead center of the screen. Watch that lever with the spring below it. See that? All right. Expansion tank, relief valve. Let's get this show on the road. All right, I got my tool bag, expansion tank, bucket, all the tools I need. We're gonna make this thing look a little nice. I'm gonna start with some WD-40. I'm just going to spray down everything that I see has rust on it, especially this line right there. I like using WD-40 on all of my heating maintenance service calls just to lubricate all the black fittings or just the metal fittings, not brass and stuff like that though, but just the stuff that possibly could get exposure to water if it's leaking. It just makes it easier to take apart in the future. So let's just get up there as well. Beautiful, and up there. Okay, I like to do that, and then I wipe down everything when I'm done, but beautiful. Okay. I'm going a little happy here with WD-40, but I don't really care. It looks nice. I'll tell you about this in a minute. You guys can figure out what I'm going to be doing with that. Okay. Dope. Okay, closed. All right, let's, all right, airlocked. There we go. All right, I'm gonna show you a little trick on how to take out the expansion tank. How many times have you guys taken out an expansion tank, got water all over the place? Well, I know, a lot, right? I'm not gonna stab a hole into it like some hacks do on YouTube. I'm going to turn this bad boy on. And we're gonna force all the water out of this tank by pressurizing it with water. There you go, see? I'm like a smart aleck. Oh yeah, that smells real good, by the way. All right, let's dump this bucket. All right. little bit more for shits and giggles. Push all the water out of there. Easy peasy. Come on, guys, use your noggin. Beautiful. Okay, that's enough. Let's take off the expansion tank now. Oh, look. Someone had the same idea as me at one point. Okay. Oh, man, the whole thing's turning. Just open up the boiler, drain it out for a hot minute. And look at that. Not a single drop. Not a single drop. Ain't that so pretty? I'm gonna get a lot of slack for this though. Hanging the expansion tank upside down. I know you guys are gonna crucify me. I'm sorry. There you go. I'm sorry. By the time I realized that I was putting it in upside down, I don't have enough threaded rod to support it. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm letting you guys down. All right, let me break open this union and remove the drip leg from the pressure relief valve. All right, new relief valve is in. Tighten back up the compression coupling on the 2 pieces of 3/4 inch copper here. Let's make sure she's closed. Yeah, that thing's not hissing at all. Let the boiler fill back up. Hopefully that's accurate. Yep. Very nice. Open that back up. Turn this bad boy on. Watch that zone valve motor move the little lever to hit the end switch, the little black button, which it just did. Okay. Let this thing cycle. Make sure we have circulation. May have to purge a little bit. We got a lot of air. Let's watch the boiler temp drop. As long as we have circulation, that boiler temp's gonna drop. Yep. It's a call for heat. Damper's opening. We're gonna have spark from the ignition control portion of the boiler control module. Wait for it. There it is. Pilot valve opened. Flame proving. Main burner. Ignition. You know, surprisingly quite blue of a flame. Not too shabby. I'm purging a little bit. Only one zone valve is actively calling. I got the fast fill open on my pressure reducing valve. And we're forcing water through the boiler, through the circ, through the zone. Keeping an eye on the pressure, which doesn't seem to be much right now. So let's close this off. Let's watch our pressure increase. There we go. Rising. Good. Let's pop open this for a hot minute. Let's close, close, monitor pressure, add a little bit more. Good. and you'll hear it stop filling. If you ever push this back down, you still hear it filling and the pressure is over where it needs to be, you got a bad pressure reducing valve. Okay, vent damper is opening. We're having a call for heat. Our temperature must be low enough. Boil temperature 151, 154, 152. I'm trying to zoom in and focus on that, but it's not being too cooperative. Sorry, guys. Okay, I got my sticker on there. Got my sticker on the water heater. And last but not least, okay, I am a little upset by this, that I put it back in the same orientation, which is wrong. I'm sorry. I used a 1/2-inch split ring hanger, a little piece of threaded rod, and a sealing plate, 3/8, and that's gonna secure and properly support this expansion tank. We're gonna come back on a maintenance and replace this zone valve and then do everything else that's needed here. But I am circulating. She's hot as can be on the supply and return for that zone, which is calling. Circulator's good. I don't hear any air moving. This also should be replaced when we change the zone valve. I'll make note of that on the invoice, so when we come back here next week to do maintenance, we'll change that and that. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and you're tired of being bamboozled by your plumbing or HVAC contractor, give me a call at 516-348-6300 or save time, book online at pipedoc.net.